Nature is always providing. Even though we don't have the crops that grow in the rainy season, there is these small patches of naturally growing plants and herbs which have so many health benefits and nutritional value. This they call kangkung. They use this in salads and curries and sambal, and this is just growing wild. This doesn't need cultivating and endless amounts of water to grow it. No labour to cultivate it. They just come out the back of the kitchen and pick up these herbs for cooking. It's just amazing.